Hi guys, and welcome to CRISTY's Keto Kitchen. We are going to make jalapeno poppers in the air fryer. And we are going to stuff them with cream cheese, jack cheese, and a little bit of bacon. This is literally the easiest jalapeno recipe I know. I know these are a little wrinkly, but don't mind that. They're about to go bad, and you guys can't let a jalapeno go bad. I've had some life happen, so it took me a hot minute. I've cut these all up. This is how I like to cut them. Okay, I like to cut off this end. I like to cut off this end. I like to stand it up. Some people need to wear gloves. I haven't needed to do that yet. I'm sure one day I'll touch the wrong pepper. All right, so I'm gonna finish cutting these up, but I'm not gonna bore you guys. After they're all cut and they are like this into pieces, I'm going to take this handy dandy SpongeBob spoon, come over here, start at whatever end you want, whatever end makes you happy, okay? And then we're gonna give it a good little scrape. That way it's good and ready for the filling. So let's see. I don't know what's easier, top or bottom. I think they both scrape, well, maybe the other way. They probably both scrape good the same way. Okay, so let's see if this one was easier starting at the smaller end. All right, so you want to do this to all your jalapenos. I'll see you guys when I've got this part completed and we're on to the mix. And we're back. All right, everything is cut and de-seeded or whatever you call it. And in my bowl here, I have 1 block of cream cheese, 3/4 cup of shredded Monterey Jack. That's what I like because it's nice and creamy when it's all melted and stuff. And we have a 1/2 cup of bacon crumbles. I buy bacon crumbles at Costco and Sam's Club. They're my favorite. It's the easiest way for me to make recipes. So now we're just gonna combine this really good. I've got something hard, you know, to kind of smash it together. Sometimes you just have to get in there with your hands and go to it. I'm trying not to do that, but if I have to, I have to. I'll save you guys the footage of me doing it though. Yeah. I gotta get in there with my hands, guys. All right. So we will return when this is all mixed up. Be right back. Whoop. We're back. And we got a gross hand. All right. So now that it's in like cheese ball consistency, what we want to do is just squish some in your hand, grab a piece, and press it in. Okay, you're gonna do this until these are all full. You can stuff them with as much or as little as you like. I don't salt this mixture or do any of that because for me, the bacon crumbles are plenty salty. So this all right here is just enough flavor all by itself. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get these all finished up. And then we're gonna be placing them in our air fryer. See you guys when these are all stuffed. Boop. Voila, video magic, and we're done. These are all stuffed and loaded. I have them on my air fryer tray. I get asked this a lot, so I just want to tell you guys, this is the Power Air Fryer Oven. I got it at Bed Bath & Beyond. It is also a Target. It is also on Amazon. Power Air Fryer Oven. It has shelves. I like to cook my jalapenos at about the medium level that the shelves can go in. Just slide that right on in, okay? And then we're gonna just shut this door. And we're gonna hit the button. Make sure you guys can see what I'm doing. And then I just hit French fries and it's perfect. Except for I reduced the time to 12 minutes. You guys, that's it. That is all you do for jalapenos. I'll see you when these bad boys are done. Whoop! Just like that, the timer is done. We're pulling these out. Grab this slowly when you leave it on top because it might be hot, kind of like this one is. Oh man, these look good. Do you guys see that? Wow. Let me just put it under the light a little bit. Oh, that just makes it yellow. You guys. Yum. There you go. Easy keto jalapeno poppers. I'm gonna just set those down because they're heavy. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. And I would love for you guys to leave in the comments what else you'd love to see me make or a video you would love me to talk about. I love interacting with you guys. So let me know what would be helpful for you in your keto journey. Give this video 2 thumbs up, like and subscribe. See you later. Bye.